from our presentation, our training partners from Bahrain, UNIDO Bahrain, and the country office of ITPO UNIDO, you could understand that entrepreneurship training is extremely important when it comes to making a success out of SMEs, whether those SMEs are in agriculture or in other subsectors of the economy. The point is, SMEs are the key drivers of success of the agricultural economy when it comes to the private sector. Somebody just mentioned that 80% of economic activity is actually domiciled within the SME segment. But the question is, what business culture do those SMEs have? What is the survival rate of the SMEs in Nigeria? You need to have them capacitated both technically and mentally to be able to make success out of it. And we believe that if we partner, as we are working to do now with ITPO, UNIDO in Nigeria, and other ITPO offices around the world, we will be able to bring those cutting-edge technical capacities and technologies and mental capacities to our entrepreneurs, particularly those in the agricultural value chain, which is our key mandate area.
How does this training affect the
No, straight. It's actually direct. If you look at the agricultural value chain, you realize that if you want to do a 21st century agricultural economy, it has to be driven by the youth. It cannot be driven by the 65 to 75-year-olds. Now, what kind of agriculture do you want to present to the youth? Do you want to present an agriculture of hoe and cutlass, or do you want to present agriculture that has less drudgery but more income to the youth? So the only way you can do that is to ensure that they have the business capacity, the technical capacity, and the entrepreneurship capacity to do the right thing. How do you get that? You either acquire it through training or you go to school to acquire it. But we believe action-oriented training, as we are trying to do here, is what the youth need. Now, when NIRSAL imbibes that training in-house at training of the trainer level, we intend to cascade that training down to our branch offices across the country, so that at each level in every state capital, we can cascade that down, that training, and select youths that we can capacitate for SME business training in agriculture. That is the only way we can be able to, catalyze financing into their businesses. Finance likes clarity. Finance likes structure. The only way you can get finance into agriculture, especially for the youth, is to create a structure that makes sense to finance. And how best do you do it? By establishing enterprises. What kind of enterprises? Enterprises that speak to business imperatives. Done?